India has officially become the fourth largest economy globally, surpassing Japan, according to Niti Aayog CEO BVR Subramaniam. He credited this milestone to a favorable geopolitical and economic climate, stating, "As I speak, we are a $4 trillion economy and now the fourth largest in the world." Referring to data from the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Subramaniam noted that India has moved from the fifth position in 2024 to fourth place, trailing only the United States, China, and Germany. He added that if India continues with its current reform agenda and strategic planning, it could become the world's third largest economy within the next 2.5 to 3 years. The IMF's World Economic Outlook report projects India's nominal GDP to reach $4.19 trillion in 2025, just ahead of Japan's estimated $4.187 trillion. India's per capita income has also grown significantly, doubling from $1,438 in 2013 to 14 to a projected $2,880 in 2025. Niti Aayog's vision document, Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat at 2047, outlines India's journey from being labelled among the fragile 5 economies to entering the top 5 within a decade. The report sets an ambitious target for India to become a high-income nation, defined by the World Bank as having a per capita income above $14,005 by 2047. To realize this goal, the approach paper proposes a strategic framework based on 6 core pillars and 26 thematic areas, aimed at transforming India into a $30 trillion developed economy by its 100th year of independence.